Question time! Can you see well with a helmet? It's like opening your eyes this slightly, and that's why the rear Stormtrooper cannot ever hit anything.
Only Imperial Stormtroopers are so precise.
Aha! Question 2. Can you block fine dust? Sure. It has HEPA filter, it has cooling fan. So, yes. Question 3. Isn't it hot if you're using it? Yep, there's a cooler. Wait, didn't you watch episode 2 yet? Check out this video right now.
How about Hell Joseon Summer?
Nothing can survive Hell Joseon. It's hell. Not a heaven, hell. Question 4. How much do you charge? Guys, if I sell it, Disney will kill me.
I will find you. And I will kill you.
Well, the Stormtrooper project is now over! Yay! So, actually we made all the footages by ourselves and we wanted to make it sooner, but it took about a month. In the next project, we're working on something much bigger, and some of you have already seen it on our Facebook or Instagram. Stay tuned, coming soon. Like, subscribe! Boom. Like, subscribe, boom. Like.